I'm going to share about networks. These are the topics we are going to see in this session. A computer network is nothing but a group of computers linked to each other. A network is a system in which multiple computers are connected through transmission media. The transmission media may be a wire, fiber optics, coaxial cable, a radio wave, microwave, whatever may be. But the main aim of the computer networks is the sharing of resource among various devices. For example, the internet is a computer network that interconnects hundreds and millions of computing devices throughout the world. Here there is an example of interconnected computer. Wi-Fi and modem is an example of networking device to share their resource, data and applications from one device to another device. We have to follow some criteria while working with network. First one, performance. Performance can be measured by transit time and response time. Transit time is the amount of time required for message to travel from one device to another device, which means one computer to another computer. Next, the response time is the elapsed time between the end of an inquiry and the beginning of a response. Response time occurs only when there is a failure. Next, the performance of a network depends on the various factors, which is number of users participated in the network. Next, the type of the transmission medium. The performance may differ from the fiber optic, coaxial cable. It differs from the transmission medium. Next, the performance is evaluated by two metrics. One is throughput and another is delay. Throughput is a number of messages successfully transferred. How many messages successfully transferred is measured by throughput. Next, delay is the amount of time needed for send a message from one device to another device. In network, we need more throughput and less delay. Next one, reliability. Reliability is measured by frequency of failures, which means the time it takes to recover from failure is called reliability. Next one, security. It protects the data, hardware and software from the unauthorized access, which means the restricted physical access to computers, password protection, limited user privileges and data encryption are the common security methods. Next, we will discuss about types of connection in network. There are two types of connections. One is point to point and another is multi-point. In point to point, there is a dedicated link between the devices. But the network is nothing but a connection made by communication links between two or more devices. The devices can be a computer, laptop, printer or any other device that is capable to send and receive data. Here, point to point provides the dedicated link between two devices. The entire capacity of the link is reserved for transmission between two devices. For example, telephone call, in which one telephone is connected with another one and what is said by the caller can only heard by the other. The second type is multi-point. Multi-point is also referred to as multi-drop. Here, the multi-connection is the link between three or more devices, which means more than two specific devices share a single link. The networks which have the multi-point configuration is called broadcast network. If a message sent by any machine is received by all other machines in a network, which means the link is shared by more than two devices is called multi-point. But in point to point, there is a two device, one link is sent to the another device. But in multi-point, a link is shared by two or more devices. There are two types of connections in multi-point. One is spatial shared connection, other is time shared connection. If several devices can use the link simultaneously, it is called spatially shared connection. Next, if the user take turns, that is if the user share the link in time basis, it is called a time shared connection. Time shared connection is also known as temporal connection. For example, we can connect one printer with More than one computer is an example of multi-point connection. Thank you.